How does a sports DPO protect athlete data privacy? Imagine your personal health and performance details being shared without your permission. That's why protecting athlete data privacy is so important in sports today. A sports data protection officer, or DPO, plays a key role in making sure this doesn't happen. They are the experts responsible for keeping athlete information safe and legal. Their job starts with understanding what counts as personal data. This includes names, contact details, health records, performance stats, and biometric data. These details are sensitive and need careful handling to prevent misuse or unauthorized access. The DPO advises the sports organization and staff about data protection, laws like the General Data Protection Regulation, which is a set of rules in Europe that protect personal data. They also train employees on how to handle athlete data securely and legally. One of their main tasks is to check that the organization follows these laws properly. They do this by conducting audits and assessments of how data is processed. This helps find and fix any risks of data breaches or improper use. The DPO supports the organization in applying privacy by design principles. This means they make sure data protection is built into new projects, technology, or data sharing plans from the start. They also keep detailed records of how athlete data is processed. This transparency helps the organization stay accountable and shows that they handle data responsibly. When new projects involve high risks to athlete privacy, the DPO manages data protection impact assessments. These assessments evaluate potential risks and suggest ways to reduce them before any data is processed. The DPO acts as a point of contact for athletes, regulators, and other stakeholders who have concerns or questions about data privacy. They help manage data access requests and handle complaints. The DPO also makes sure that athlete data is not kept longer than necessary. When data is no longer needed, it must be securely deleted. In practice, the DPO creates policies that control who can see or use sensitive athlete information. They oversee how data is stored and transmitted, and how consent is obtained and managed. They also prepare the organization to respond quickly and effectively if a data breach occurs, minimizing harm to athletes and maintaining trust. For careers in sports, the role of a sports DPO is vital. As data becomes more important for athlete management, performance tracking, and anti-doping efforts, having someone dedicated to data privacy helps ensure legal compliance and protects athletes' rights. This role requires a good understanding of data protection laws and the specific types of data collected in sports. It also involves understanding the ethical issues around athlete privacy. Overall, a sports DPO acts as the guardian of athlete data privacy. They combine legal knowledge, organizational oversight, and proactive risk management to make sure athletes' personal information is handled responsibly and securely.